There's a lot of warning signs that you may have picked an attorney who's not going to do a good job for you. Let's say you call in and you say you're a new client and the lawyer doesn't call you back, the legal assistant calls you back. That's a sign that maybe they don't care about you that much. When you come in for the initial consultation, maybe the lawyer tries to shoehorn you into a 30-minute conversation because you're not paying them a consultation fee, when in fact you need an hour or 90 minutes to fully tell your story, to fully explain what you think the witnesses are going to say, and to really give the idea to the lawyer of what the lawyer needs to do to help you the most. Those are warning signs you may not have the right lawyer. Once a lawyer begins representing you, if they don't return your phone calls, if they don't return your emails, if they seem rushed when they talk to you on the telephone, if they don't want to even talk to you about your case or what investigation they're doing between court appearances, you know you have the wrong lawyer. I've had clients tell me before that after hiring a lawyer, the lawyer doesn't give them the police reports, doesn't give them the CDs with all the information on them, even videos of what happened. That is critical information that a lawyer has to give a client so that when you talk with the lawyer and the two of you are developing a strategy, everybody needs to be on the same page so we know what all the evidence shows. There are some warning signs that even after you've hired the lawyer, as you're getting your case ready, you may have hired the wrong lawyer. When you're in trial, you'll see a lot of lawyers who won't even look at their client or talk to them. And what kind of impression does that make to the jury if at a trial you're not even talking to your client? It makes it look like they're guilty. If the client and the lawyer are not communicating in front of the jury, it sends the signal to the jury that the lawyer doesn't believe the client. During the entirety of the trial, the jury is always looking at the way the lawyer interacts with the client. One of the most important things a good criminal defense lawyer can do is humanize you in front of the court and in front of the jury. It's important that the jury doesn't think you're just the person who's accused of the crime, but that you're a good person, you have a life, you have a job, you've done a lot of good things in your life. And if the lawyer doesn't take the time to learn those things about you, to bring on witnesses or evidence that you do those things, then you're going to come across just as some criminal defendant and not as the human being that you need to be portrayed as. It is a very difficult thing to be accused of a crime. Jurors tend to think you're guilty, and without any information tending to show what a good person you are and that you're not the type of person to commit this crime, it's much more likely they're going to convict you, and it's also evidence that you hired the wrong lawyer.